Mercantile. Opening in April. Mercantile adds a stately and timeless presence at the corner of 4th Avenue North and Broadway. Its brick exterior and expansive glass allow it to fit seamlessly with its historic building neighbors to the south and west. To the east, the attached 367-stall city-owned parking garage has been opened and providing district parking for nearly a year. There is a strong interest in the retail floor, and we expect new businesses in the project will enhance the neighborhood. Mercantile adds 100 new apartments and 17,000 square feet of ground floor commercial space for up to 7 new businesses. Floor-to-ceiling windows in this project create spectacular views and maximize the natural light. Mercantile residents will enjoy a huge club room and elevated patio overlooking downtown and decked out with grills, awnings, and an outdoor television. More at mercantilefargo.com. Visit today to request your tour.